Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. Today I would like to show you how you can really sparkle your simple t-shirt to really good one. And these are the rhinestone I purchased from local craft store. I'll give you the name of the craft store in the description. So these rhinestones came in a big box and it had all different sizes and colors, mainly all different colors of purple. So I have these big ones and I decided to put it in the t-shirt. So when you put any big rhinestone like this, you can just create a design first and then see it how it looks like, but do not glue it until you see if you like the design or not. So basically if you want to put in the neckline, you follow along the neckline. So that's what I did. I follow along the neckline, and these I have done it an hour ago, so this is not completely dry, so you need to let it dry for 2 hours. So I'm going to show you. I have done the first row and the second row I'm going to finish up. I have done over here. So here I started from the fifth one. I left 1 2 3 4. After leaving the the fifth one, I started between two rhinestone, the space, that's where I'm starting for the second row. And if you have more rhinestone, you can do the third and the fourth, and the similar way you can leave here 3 rhinestone and start for the fourth one. But this is my leftover rhinestone, so I do not have that many, but still I want to give this t-shirt a really good look. So here between these two rhinestone, I'm going to use this glitter dimensional fabric paint. This is paint slash glue. So you put like a little bit big dot and then you set your rhinestone between two rhinestone on top and you press it down. When you press it down, you will have little bit of coming out in the sides, and I'll show you in a minute what to do with that. Then you put another one. So this is how you continue, and then you can dry up the side. So this one the same thing. Now you press it down. The reason I put enough sufficient so that it will glue permanently and will not come out. Now let me show you what you're going to do with this extra. So for the extras you have, when you press the rhinestone down, you'll have some of your glitter glue coming out. And now if you want to have a nice gold trim, it's fine. If you don't want to have it, then you keep a paper towel handy and make it pointy like this, and you go with that and pick it up like this. So you just pick up as much as you like, and you can still leave little bit. It's alright when you leave little bit, it will give a beautiful gold shine. So you see here I'm picking up pretty much all of it, leaving just a little bit so it gives a beautiful gold shine. So until it is wet, it has a tendency to move. So you try not to move the fabric or your t-shirt when it's wet. When it's dry, then you can move it. So each time you press, it will squeeze out a little bit of the paint. So I will get as much as I can with this. And then if there is little bit left, it's okay. It will give a beautiful gold shine. Now I'm going to get little bit of this side. So like this you can either clean up little bit in the sides, or you can just leave it. Either way it looks pretty. So I decided to just clean up little bit, not too much. So you see, you cannot see much. So now you have yourself a pretty t-shirts which has a beautiful jewelry on the neckline, so you don't have to wear a necklace for going out. You can do this one in a beautiful shirt. I just did it in the t-shirt to show you. And any kind of beautiful colorful shirt, you can put it blue shirts, blue contrasting rhinestone will really look pretty. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there, and follow me at Twitter. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.